For balance, a lower cut or balance test can be used. And for core endurance, side plank, Sorensen, and sit-ups can be used for assessing the oblique endurance, back extensor, along with the flexor muscle endurance. For mobility, lumbar log thoracic rotation test, hip and shoulder internal and external rotation, lumbar spine range of motion can be used. For speed, 10-meter sprint is assessed with speed gauge, and 505 agility testing for change of direction, right and left turns. Repeat sprint for checking out the anaerobic capability and the fatigue levels, and yo-yo for the endurance. Functional movement screening is an injury screening tool which includes seven fundamental movement patterns, and it includes the forehead deep squat, hurdle step, inline lunge, shoulder mobility, active straight leg raise, trunk stability test, and rotatory table stability test. Strength and conditioning, the application of scientific principles to improve an athlete's physical performance through structured training program that enhance strength, power, speed, endurance, agility, mobility, and injury resilience. Periodization and training blocks. Periodization is a planned orientation of training into different phases and the specific goals in each phase. Planning and periodization must be done based on the athlete's ability and the number of competitions in a year. So these are all the following periods which an annual period includes. So it includes general preparatory period, specific, pre-competition, competition, and transition period. Periodization organizes training through macro, meso, and micro cycles to manage training stress and recovery throughout different phases of training. So the variables which can be manipulated are the training volume, training intensity, and the exercise selection. There are different types of periodization like linear, undulating, and block, which can be implemented through different phases of the cycles. So this is a sample periodization, which includes 2 months of general preparatory, followed by 2 months of sport specific, the specific preparatory period, and 5 and 6 of pre-competition, followed by the competition, and then at the last is the transition period. So core training, the core in four different movement patterns, and that is flexion, extension, lateral flexion, and rotation. And multi-planar stability and force transfer. This dynamic core integration is more specific preparatory phase. And examples of the core exercises in the first four movements can be like dead bug, plank, body saw, stability wall rollouts, side plank, suitcase carries, wall of presses, and wood choppers.